Hi everyone, this is Jashandeep Singh. I am from India. I came to Canada a few months ago on 22nd April to pursue for my further education in project management as a post-graduation diploma holder. So today I am talking about the company that I'll strive to work in is Carrot. So there was a job vacancy by them as a strategy and operation manager. I am really excited to be on that post and work for the company. So this is basically a company that provides services to the customers. So being talking about my background, I have completed my graduation in 2020 as a mechatronics engineer from Chandigarh University. Then I work in one of the multinational company from a US based firm, which is a telecom industry named Peer Services. So where I joined on January 2020, and I worked there as an engineering assistant for 6 months. After while looking on my performance, they just gave me an opportunity to work as a billing lead. So I was open to it. So I got that opportunity and worked as a billing lead for 1.5 months. So where my key responsibilities are: number one, I used to look over the revenue part of all the company, how to gain more revenues, and what are the drawbacks that we are facing, and what kind of improvement we need to do. Other than that, I was focusing on the timesheets of the engineers, so in which I used to check the timesheets in which they are working on, and what kind of work they are working on, how can we improve that. So certain kind of things, a bit you can say like data analysis kind of thing. Yeah. So after working as an billing lead, I got another promotion on September. So it was team lead as an operation. So I worked on that post for 6 months, in which my key responsibilities were similar to it as I used to do earlier. I used to work on the revenue part. I used to work on the timesheets of the engineers to view, and other than that, I was given an opportunity to look on the timesheets for the fielders, which were on the state side. So I used to keep an eye on them as well, how we can improve and what kind of things they are facing, what kind of problem they are having right now, and how can we improve that. So yeah, other than that, I was working on the invoicing part. So final reviews of the prints, designing prints were done by me before sending to the customer for the billing purposes, and I used to create the bills for them as well. And one more thing, like I want to tell you, like I used to focus on the uh, bids as well, like how we can come up with the new targets and new customers to gain more and more work for the company. So yeah, while looking over this profile, I was just getting the similar things that I used to do. Is the first one that they requires the key responsibilities, data analysis. So yeah, I worked in a designing company in which the data analysis is the basic thing. Like I used to read the prints, and uh, used and analysis all the data. Like how can we improve that? What are the new targets we need to focus on? The second thing they requires an innovation. I worked on a Salesforce where there are a lot of innovation targets that you can do, that you can achieve in it. So I used to create the dashboards, reports over there. Other than that, strategy formulation. So yeah, being an operation team lead, you need to make a new targets and meet them all. So as I was working on the bids, so stakeholder involvement was also there. Like we have to uh, deal with them as new projects are coming, what to focus on, what to leave, and all those things. Other than that, the qualification they required is also meetable by me. Like they require 3 years of experience. I'm having that. They need deep, passionate person. I'm open to any kind of environment to work on. Yeah, so I think I'm the best person to deal with this thing. And thank you.